Want to know the secret to building bigger biceps fast? In this video, we'll reveal the ultimate tips and tricks to get you the results you want in no time. From the best bicep exercises to the most effective workout routines, we've got you covered. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, you'll learn how to take your bicep game to the next level and achieve the arm development you've always dreamed of. Before we curl into the details, zoom out for a quick second and join our growing community of health seekers. As a Better Health member, you'll get weekly content delivered to your phone. Watch and learn about the latest workout routines, health tips, superfoods, and more. Building bigger biceps is one of the most sought-after goals in the fitness community. Who wouldn't want to have impressive guns to show off at the beach or in the gym? It's a status symbol, a sign of strength and power, and it can be a major confidence booster. But let's face it, growing your biceps can be tough. We've all been there. You're crushing your bicep curls week after week, but you're just not seeing the results you want. Your biceps are stuck in a plateau, and you're not sure what to do to break through. Maybe you're using the wrong exercises, or maybe you're just not doing them correctly. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to grow their biceps is ineffective exercises. They're doing the same old curls day in and day out, but they're not targeting the right muscle fibers. Or maybe they're not using enough weight, or not doing enough sets and reps. Whatever the reason, the result is the same: stagnant bicep growth. Another major obstacle is poor form. I've seen so many people swinging their weights around, using momentum to lift instead of actually engaging their biceps. Not only is this not effective, but it can also lead to injury. You've got to learn how to do your curls correctly, with control and precision, if you want to see real results. And then there's the issue of inconsistent training. You're doing bicep curls one day, but then you miss a workout or two, and suddenly your progress is stalled. Consistency is key when it comes to building bigger biceps. You've got to keep pushing yourself, week after week, if you want to see real growth. So, what's the solution to these common challenges? How can you break through the plateaus and start building bigger, stronger biceps? That's what we're going to talk about today. We'll explore the best exercises, techniques, and tips for maximizing bicep growth, and I'll share some surprising secrets that can help you take your bicep training to the next level. When it comes to exercising your biceps, variety is key. You can't just do the same old curls every day. You've got to mix it up, try different exercises, and target different muscle fibers. One of the most effective exercises for building bigger biceps is the hammer curl. This exercise targets the outer bicep, which is often neglected in traditional curls. Another great exercise is the preacher curl. This one targets the lower bicep, helping to create a more balanced, symmetrical look. And don't even get me started on the importance of proper form. You've got to keep your upper arms still, only moving your forearms, and you've got to squeeze those biceps at the top of the curl. One of the most effective techniques for boosting bicep growth is supersets. By combining two exercises in a row, without resting in between, you can increase the intensity of your workout and stimulate more muscle growth. For example, you could do a set of hammer curls followed by a set of preacher curls. This will really get your biceps pumping. Another technique that's often overlooked is time under tension. This refers to the amount of time your muscles are under tension during a workout. By increasing the time under tension, you can stimulate more muscle growth and increase the effectiveness of your workout. One way to do this is by using slower, more controlled movements. Instead of jerking the weight up quickly, take your time and focus on squeezing those biceps. Building bigger biceps requires a combination of effective exercises, proper form, and consistent training. You've got to mix it up, try different exercises, and target different muscle fibers. And don't be afraid to try new techniques, like supersets or blood flow restriction training. These can really take your bicep growth to the next level. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any experiences or tips to share on building bigger biceps, please leave a comment in the section below. And don't forget to check out our other videos on advanced arm workouts. It's a must-watch for anyone who wants to take their arm training to the next level. See you next time.